Has Talent, where an ordinary Motswana takes a step forward into making sure that their extraordinary dreams are being revealed. I am your host, Botswana, and I'm not alone today. I'm with a few people here, and lovely, lovely people. First of all, to introduce our judges to you, ladies and gentlemen, we have the sensational, the very beautiful, the most amazing Lady Mosa. A round of applause, everybody, for Mosa. All right, Mosa is our talent floor manager. She is a talent recruiter. Every talent that you see on this stage, kudos to Miss Mosa. And once again, we have one of the most amazing people on this show, the one and only, ladies and gentlemen, Hofa, who is an actress. You've seen her on your TV screens, I believe. She is the programs manager of this very show. And not just that, she's also into theater and screens. A round of applause for Mosa. Did I not save the best for last? Or did I? You'll decide. You'll decide. We have a gentleman with us, ladies and gentlemen, who has graced our screens for a very long time. You've seen him in Movango. You've seen him in Colors. You have seen him on this very stage hosting the one and only the late ATI. May his soul rest in eternal peace. And he is, can I want a louder round of applause for this one. He is Sir Caps, ladies and gentlemen. He is even up. You can see him, he is ready. He is ready for the talent that we're going to have today. If you have been wondering at home what our contestants here in Motswana Has Talent will be getting, they will be getting different prizes depending on the theme that they are on, right? One is we're going to have a portfolio for our winner. That means one of you lucky contestants is going to have a portfolio. But if you are, depending on what you do, right? If you are a poet, if you are a choreographer, and if you are a dancer, we are going to market you. We are going to have market readiness, rather, for you after the show as our winner. But if you are a singer, you are going to have what we call studio time. You're going to be the one who will be recording the theme song of Motswana Has Talent, right? Let's not clap yet. Let's not clap yet because I have something that is amazing. I believe none of you even expected it. I have all the way from Luminous Art. And if you don't know, Luminous Art is co-founded by one of our judges, Sir Curbs. Like I said, he is a very sensational person. From Luminous Arts, we are having an 11-month mentorship program, which involves training classes himself. He'll be a part of it. But it is not only for the winner. The nice part is all our contestants are going to have this mentorship class. Can I get a round of applause now? It's not loud enough. Can I get a round of applause for that? All right, to kickstart off our show, I will be giving to you our very, very, very first act who has been prepared. Our very first act here. We have Mpadi Kihumang, who is a.k.a. Joker. Joker, are you ready? Joker, are you ready? Joker is not ready here. Joker, are you ready? All right, Joker is ready. While Joker is still warming up in his chair, Michelle, make sure you join us backstage where you're going to be doing the preparations. You'll be our next. Now, Joker, can I please have you up on the stage? Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Joker.
Who's? Dumela ka le tswela ke video go te mpadi ke human ke tswa hela phala road hela hela tswa di bete botola Tropic of Capricorn to botsana mo city ya teng e ka ha ke city go mola se village nna ke go tholo bojalo ke sone se o bona ile hela ke utwa mo khosuta kone e ka la thela sema sa bojalo gore le khona nthaloganya wa bona
Motswana Has Talent oh se ka wa re silent rena le marapo le balance re tla dira le fase le re utwe re dance Motswana Has Talent
Joker from me tota ke utle pina gago ya betsa ngwanaka di biti ke tsone but at the first at kokontleng you wasn't that confident but really hantsi pina ya nung yo wela lo ena no o setla sentle ke be ke khona go bona le movement wa go lantla you were just centered but really la go bo helong bo gasa thank you.
Hi.
Emma.
Is this your song?
Yes, it's my song.
I think Nkabosa la hela it's my skapine e monate. It's a very, very, very beautiful song. You've done an amazing work with it. I'm impressed.
Thank you.
Sure, Joker.
Ngon.
Awa. Aribinenyana. Aw pine ya bine. I want to bono o sabadi get down.
I get ngon.
Ke genre what genre is this song, my brother?
Bolo house music.
Bolo House Music. Shout out Bolo House Music.
Straight.
Away, Joker.
Straight.
And I got a comedy. Yeah, man. But the use of space, how perform, especially how low one more staging. That's a stage,
Okay.
or bring some backup dancers. Hey, imagine the work I see.
Okay.
Fill up the stage. Feel the audience. By engage. So, but all use them. Away.
Okay.
Don't perform the lyric. Answer.
Okay.
How perform we repeat here. Lauska dira what record.
Okay.
Sure joke.
Thank you very much.
Motswana Has Talent. Oh, seka wa re re silent. Re na le marapo le balance. Re tla dira le fase le re utwe re dance. Motswana Has Talent.
Audience, how was Joker's performance? Audience, how was Joker's performance? Oh, nice. So, nice. As Michelle is ready for us, I would like Buikanyo Piri, aka Spiza Wabana, to go backstage and make sure that he is prepared. To make sure he is warmed up. Oh, Buikanyo at the end. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Michelle.
Hello guys, or maybe should I say, I greet you all in the name of the King Jesus. I greet you all in the name of Jesus. Firstly, I'll start with my name. My name is Michelle. And I'm here to give you a poem. The title of the poem is called Debt Paid in Full. Debt Paid in Full. There I was, standing shamefully in courtroom, surrounded by demons on my left and angels on my right. Satan is a persecutor, holding millions of records about my life. And God sitting on a throne with a mighty gavel in his hand. I had no lawyer. I was placed on trial for things such as lying, stealing, fornication, deceit, addiction, for all the evidence was sitting right there with Satan. The demons smiled as tears rolled down the judge's eyes, for they clearly knew that now was the hour of my demise. But wait, in came a light shining so bright that the demon smiling suddenly jumped up with fright, and the man that walked in that night was none other than Jesus Christ. Darkness departed to give away, and glory was all the angels could say as the man that walked in that night pulled out a light and he set Satan's record against me on fire. He took the sentence file, erased my name, looked me in the eyes and said, "Daughter, I take the blame." Handcuffs were placed on this man as the entire courtroom gasped at the horrendous sound and the sudden cease to the beat of his heart. The man that walked in glowing had now become dark. I did this to him, my lying, my stealing, my fornication, my addictions, and he took the pain and spent 3 days in the hell that I was to go through for eternity. Debt paid in full. I left the courtroom that day, for I was found innocent, for Christ handled the debt that I was to pay. This type of love is more than you can give to a boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife. This man died for me. I owe him my life. Even though my life is not at all worth it, how can you ever trade profit for perfect? See, I gave my life to Christ and suddenly picked up the mob. The lying, the cursing, the cheating, the fornication, all had to stop because my life had been bought, and it would be a shame to sit here and do nothing but let it rot. The price was settled, debt paid in full. But I believe Jesus' words when he said, "It is finished." Thank you.
Hi, that was powerful.
Oh my God, you are so talented. You have stage presence. You have the love and the passion of what you're doing. You know, you bring the character to life. You know, a lot of times as poets, they just come there and say the words. They don't act it. I see an infusion of acting in it. You know, your poetry comes with movement, you know, with emotions. I loved it, my girl. That was so beautiful.
Thank you
You're
so
talented.
Poetry is my favorite. Like, I have no words. Shout out Jesus.
Amen.
That was beautiful.
Thank you so much.
It was amazing.
It's only by the grace of the Lord.
Most of it, you preach the word, you talk the word. I'm impressed. Thank you.
Did you call the judges demons? I heard. And the judges demons.
Like, I meant, it's more like you understand. Okay.
Motswana Has Talent. Oh, seka wa re re silent. Re na le marapo le balance. Re tla dira le fase le re utlwe re dance. Motswana Has Talent.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back and better. Right about now, I'll be giving to you Mosimane Gape and Dancer. Before that, how was Michelle's performance, ladies and gentlemen? Ooh, it was too much. It was fire, right? That means we are going to bring down the roof. Mosimane Gape and Dancer, are you ready? He's ready. Let me give it to you, Mosimane Gape and.
Yes.
La rumba mokonzi, nekakata la rumba le shakila Yesu.
Hey, Brolins, is that you?
La danse usuki atlani Motswana. La danse usuki atlani Motswana. Motopolista la rumba mokonzi. Motopolista la rumba mukunzi, Timwana Botswana. Motopolista la rumba mukunzi, Timwana Botswana. Hela hela tumudinsa bango. Hela hela tumudinsa bango. Hela hela tumudinsa bango. Hela 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 kitwalo tene putuke. Abantu babutane putona kiatena yekeke. Ina mana bina khani hela 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 Sabango, hela hela tuguni sabango. Atake, atake, ora, ora pamoja tatole kabisa mamo. Alini mama, tupana bango, alini lolima, tupana bango. Motoko lista la rumba mukunzi, Timwana Botswana. Motoko lista la rumba mukunzi, Timwana Botswana. Motoko lista la rumba mukunzi, Timwana Botswana. Hey,
na ning yona mathaithai ke ga go tshwanela Motswana a re ba le go ga go fa di bua ka mafoko ke a tshologa ba ga madi ba teng ba itshwere mahuta ba ipotsa dipotso gore yo kima wa ga bontsholo di fetse yo motswapong sa itlhakatlhakanetse ba tlopo ditlhatse bonthale bo tebe polwane ba totse ba gore ke mogotla ba nkata ka dinake ba role diphusi ke ba bele pandan ba le baloya ga ba ka ke ba kgone hey ba dirile botla botsana tshebetse makwente no na bebe ka botshelo ja katse ke ba gapsa sitho ne ba tsomi go tsalla ka life ke go nka kgodi ya mariga ai ba ka dirang gone ke bona mo tsawa tshimagane really get sa I'm real hot ke pepera tala tse kwa molelo ma bo ba me like computer ai tena kibinisa batu tena tambatwana ona kibinisa batu agitena maduma motona kuya maduma bayitumete munati wo pasa
Motswako Lista.
Yes, ma'am.
Great performance, but bina go na ka e rata. There is stage presence. Wa bina chomi. Go tshwana le dancer la bina, but e ka re ga le mmogo. Go ro mongwe ipinela kwa, le wena o ipinela kwa. Go re there is no teamwork in what you do. And then dancer le ona sa le time lo rile ba itse o sala ka ema ba go le ba hela na re na re mmata wa ka no e ka re o mo gwae. Dancer a go ne time lo rile chomi mme kwa ntleng na di gasa. That's all I can say, but that is a great song. Gape e ka re no time loga. Ga ke tswana no sa utlwe sound sentle. E nna ka re ga utlwe di lyrics ga o di opele sentle. Ga ke itse re no go iragalang gone ho. No sa utlwe sentle ke lemogile. Okay.
What?
Motswako Lista. That's the problem is when the song has audio, you can't hear yourself because it's as a studio. You're not recording over yourself. So same thing, ya Qatar. Come with the Qatar, sharp. Hanya teamwork, it's very important. Go to the back, let head or let I be no one. But na got like Twitter genre bra, o kan Twitter fit. Eh?
It's no problem. I can teach.
I hear it. Can I live in one tatari? Give me a Botswana, yeah.
Show me.
Hi guys. You guys are talented, hey. Let's gala la ipella pilu. I think the only thing that you need to work on when as an touch the dance is even when you are there, you're performing don't lower your performance. Because we see your signs, we're trying to help you the side, but at the end of the day, you have to perform. You understand? So just give it your all, even though you just push through that. You understand? So a lot of time you were just trying to say, hey, good, guys, hey, good, you know, and understand? But all in all, you guys were beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you have a problem with your hearing though? Like,
no.
I know, bless King.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Nagi bitswa Lorato ke tswa hatsopo ha mokungwane mara mo maine a mangwe ba khona go mpitsa aka la Kim. Thank you.
Motswana Has Talent. Oh, se ka wa re re silent. Re na le marapo le balance. Re tla dira le fase le re utwe re dance. Motswana Has Talent.
Yaka dipuo Kagiso dipuo a ipakanya. Motswako Lista ba gaetso a re ga le ka ke la mo khona. A mme le tla mo khona. Never. So, ladies and gentlemen, like a round of applause once again for Motswana Lista and the dancer. Our next contestant, ladies and gentlemen, Kagiso dipuo. Kagiso dipuo, can we have you on the stage?
Hello, guys. Hello, guys. I get a legend. I get a legend. 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 Yeah, yebo yes. Yoka Tobina, yoka Mabote. Tukende.
Hey, yo, Prolens, is that you?
Botelo malatiana, butata. Botelo malatiana, butata. Botelo malatiana, butata. Waja waje, waja waje, waja waje ramada, itobore. Waja waje ramada, itobore. Asaptasemo ure udiragete, udiragete. Asaptasemo ure udiragete, udiragete. Waja waje, itobore. Waja waje ramada, itobore. Waja waje ramada, itobore. Uturele atselele kase atidirang. Uturele wena atidire. Uta find out in na koyindi chelezi. Se atidirang. Ukona usidira. Se atidirang. Ukona usidira. Uta find out in mata. Uturele. Uta find out in mata. Itobore. Waja waje. Botelo malatiana, butata. Botelo malatiana, butata. Botelo malatiana, butata. Waja waje, waja waje, waja waje ramada, itobore. Waja waje ramada, itobore. Asaptasemo ure udiragete, udiragete. Asaptasemo ure udiragete, udiragete. Waja waje, itobore. Waja waje ramada, itobore. Waja waje ramada, itobore. Waja waje, itobore. Uta find out your mother, itobore. Uta find out your mother, itobore. Waja waje, itobore. Aro waja waje, itobore. Musloba malatiama, intimari. Aro musloba malatiama, intimari. Aro waja waje, itobore. Aro waja waje, Motswana malatia. Ai, sibitingalo. Motswana ya tiriti. Yo salati ya muntu. Motswana. Oya tete. Motswana salati ya muntu. Ai. Ai, utiro utingalo. Ai. No. Aro waja waje. Itobore. Aro waja waje. Itobore. Waja waje ramad. Aro waja waje ramad. Aro waja waje. Aro waja waje.
Yebo yes. Yoka Tobina, yoka Mabote. Tukende.
Joey, I don't do that. I'm a bit. Now I was lost in the message of the song. Joey, what does have the adverse? Why read can't? What Joey? When I had and get to read the thing, how to find out we read it. Get to read it. Advice when I did. What inspired you to write such a song? O boya go e dira?
Ke tsene hela go studio ne so re ke a go pela yona. Ke tsene kwa hala hele yela ke tsane di hela be ke bona ni tu ateng ke bona ore o ka reta nka tsamaisana go to hela mangwa a tswa hela go sa re sepe tota ne le gore ke a go ntsha pina go dipolano tsa marato tsa tsiletsatsi ha ke tsena kwa nya ke be ke change topic ke tsena mo go dise.
Tell you what, I think ga wa tsana hela bo uta gore o ilela o re wa re ira dipolalo o ilela o tsana go bo bona SMS o bo re fok ke kwala ka mothaka o tantala. But that was beautiful, hey.
No, hands down corona le lentswe le monate, and then o khona go change o tsena mo charactering. So I really love that. Like I would do a movie with you or something.
Thank you.
You know, but hey, shows got a trigger so but then now lyric I guess you know is new to me, but you know like how body versing and lyric. I'm just asking as someone who says things, I'm just asking you. Is that the intention? Yeah, both.
Nya yone ke tsentse hela ntseng tsalo ne se gore ga ke na mahoko ha ke re ke ra gore gona ana ibile re lentse le ntheditse yana ntse le ke wa ja ya no ha ke tsenya mahoko a mantsi ntse te ba kana re motho ya no itse hela gore ke wa ja
you can do the same. Thank you very much.
Kagiso, beautiful performance. Ke ratile ka ha no engage thata le your audience.
Thank you.
Ba go hile that thing o bo wa gakala le theka ke hale ya kwalekwa. I loved it.
Thank you.
Most of that no one more stage. You brought life to the stage. I loved it.
Thank you very much.
A round of applause once again for the beautiful lady. Like I said, we are going to electrify this place. Right? Just about now, I'd like us to take a quick break. Rita Polosepili, so that the next contestant, our next contestant is going to be 3-2-0. I believe Hot Chili. But before Hot Chili starts, and we're going for a break, and he's going to do a warm-up session, Yana, and then we come back. Ladies and gentlemen, Motswana has talent.
Motswana has talent. Oh, sekaware yere silent. Renale marapo le balance. Retla dira le fase le re utwere dance. Motswana has talent.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back from our break. And when I left the stage, I said that we are going to have Hot Chili's 3-2-0. I'd like you, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome him with a huge round of applause. Jakaratla Bernali, Vasco, and the 3 dancers going to the backstage to prepare themselves. Hot Chili's 320. Everybody, a round of applause.
Yeah. 3-0 Amajimpo Strate, living poverty connected, but we go mineral in our settlement. I think 7 a.m. Niggas now we are safari. Sometimes I'm wondering, we drinking alcohol and smoking which each politicate. We have one blood, but we are separated. Botswana legaelam, this is my roots. We produce goods. Banaba soba tokana le love care. Etilone kena left and right, maybe really kaka condom. How many basadi baba punish you amodi cholopi? How many bajita baba pantitela dintote basadi etsa? 3-2-0 Amajimpo Strate. Ah, ouais. Ja. Kababasad. Ja. Oh, yeah. Volume DJ. We ragala. We do simple. 3-2-0.
Kaisadi, Keleko, Kowanes. Kaisadi, Keleko, Kowanes. Masadi Balaka Wena, Masika Alaka Wena, Vidaladi Laka Wena, Keleko, Kowanes. Masadi Balaka Wena, Masika Alaka Wena, Vidaladi Laka Wena, Keleko, Kowanes. Masadi Balaka Wena, Masika Alaka Wena, Vidaladi Laka Wena, Keleko, Kowanes. Tumamitsuku Utuvetibana Kaisadiana 3-0 Onamajalwa Utumamitsuku Utuvetibana Kaisadiana Come on, roll. Chili Baba.
Wama jimpo strate.
Yone peri peri.
Yebo gale mama. Ya cha cha.
Triple peri peri. We see you.
Kenna mama.
From me, it is a great performance. Mema thata e kare yana ga ke tsura a batla go lwa le lona.
Bona ke khaitsadi botho.
Kana khaitsadi ke na go tinne.
E khaitsadi o ntiretse story mama.
O tinne.
Le ntinne.
Ya.
Na le ntinne.
Re tenne re o ba gaetso.
Ke le thoko. O ta utlwa ka manong. One day.
Chilisi iketle.
Thank you mama.
Iketle chilisi.
Ke mathata a botshelo.
Ikatle.
Amen.
Chilisi. Now, from me, it's a great performance. There was a lot of stage presence. Onobina, you gave it your all. That is why when I happen huhulayan, you gave it your all to order. Lipina ha ina le molaetsa gore ha khaitsadi a sa utlwa tla ira yang
ta utlwa ka manong.
Thank you ra. Ke rata le ke gore pila ha ina le molaetsa. Mme hela o bo gali chili.
Ke le thoko.
O bo gali. O tshwana le one chilisi o bo gali.
Ke le thoko. Ta utlwa ka manong. Boso. Heaven to heaven Jesu ke morena wa rore tse.
Ai
ya go ba tartse.
Are bra ra opela pinela kere. Ko ntle le ne ke opela. Why
check 1 2 3.
No, in the studio. Yeah, no. Great performance, kore ke comedy. Mike Wawa. That is controlling your stage, man. You awed me, brother. Like
Thank you,
Oton tuta kwasa wena.
Yela.
Skin splash.
Pantsula ngwana.
Pantsula.
Pantsula splash. Senyana le motsokonyana le o le tei wa bona. Hona le ngwa gate ke itshepile yana.
Wena or you're going to be an actor, you're going to be a model. Wa kwasa braga wa bona.
Ke itshepile ke o letse sengwe le sengwe. Wa tshaba ka tsena.
Nangana ke tshaba go akgela rela ha o tsena ko manong o ta kwana.
Ko manong.
Ela tsana ko manong o to ka manong khaitsadi ya ka. O le mogile tshomi a kere. O ganela sa manong ka kwa.
Manong.
A o tshomi.
O khaitsadi ke go roa bona.
But nani ke re ke gore ke re tshomi o performile wa tlhaloganya. Despite everything you are a performer. You are born a performer. O bona hela le house mo la pina ise tsene o re gasa hela we su tsenye music. That shows gore you are a performer, and I know you can grow from there to why I want to appreciate your resilience. Ha Mike owa chomi ha wa simolla o re leba nna se itse ya no wa rering we lo bona gore sonye ke to isinya e rata o ha irate. You know, that's what a performer do. Hardly mo theater re go bitsa re go ipelega when you know at that point no one is going to save you, but you have to save yourself. So big up.
Thank you ba.
Thank you ra.
Actually ka le bitso 320 album e thank you na mathata la itse mathata kere ya re rona re tshila ka mathata re tshilela mathata kuba ma o rapele o bitse modimo a o rapela mo maranyana o ka ncheka mo hot chili wa le pantsula lipi 320.
Can I have, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for 320? All right, ke sale ke manela super judge go fa kiri yo mano. Right about now, our next contestant, being Vasco General, as he is giving us his performance. Are you ready for Vasco? Only one person is ready. Are you ready for Vasco General? All right, take it away.
Motswana Has Talent. Oh, se que va a reír silent. Renale marapo le balance. Retla dira le fase le re utwe re dance. Motswana Has Talent.
dumelang. Yes, this is your boy, the General Vasco Mfana was a far, aka Smart Guy. Yoka.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Very amazing. Full band, Osapata dancer. Kore, you are a full package, my guy.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you.
Branding.
Chomi, that was beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank
you.
You guys have worked hard. Ga bona la gore li khalae kumuga hela. Li rehezitso go go eta o tsena mo go bone le wena o supa gore you know the pattern of choreography ya gago ko morago. That was impressive. Monna yo wa dansara yo o mmolelle gore a tshware hela yalo. Wa gasa ke mogasi.
Yeah.
We appreciate your work.
Thank you.
Ya be ke tara Vasco ke reng tota. Because Vasco.
Emma.
Vasco.
Emma.
Vasco.
Emma.
That was a great performance.
Thank you.
Tata. That was teamwork, a lot of stage presence. Lwena no sa lebelele di dancers tsa go boe mana hala hore abagas. O know that hey. We is good game Vasco.
I understand.
Hey.
Yeah.
That was beautiful.
Yeah. You can say that again.
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Ke rata go leboga bongwana ke gore ba tiele na di gon support. Thank you.
A huge round of applause once again for General Vasco and the dancers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Motswana Has Talent. And so far, I believe we have seen the electrifying performances that we have on this very stage. We are sponsored or in partnership with Lesedi TV, Beamboss, and Luminous Arts. I'd like, ladies and gentlemen, to call onto the stage Louis, who is known as the El Ho Black. I hope you pronounced this sentle. If not, I believe he will do better than I did. Lewis, to the stage, please.
Motswana Has Talent. Oh, seka wa re silent. Re na le marapo le balance.
Madam Botswana. Ke bitso ya la go di Louis Tsepotamage. Stage name is Amige El Fago. Ke tswa la ha morwa ha khatleng ha. So I'm going to be performing for you. Pina ba ibitsa ba re ke one Sileng. Give me what I need so you can kill it easy. Whatever that say, Hubutuka, Ahona Kari Kofa, Naki Kela Fela, Beg with my brain, no Kanawara Humi, Kora to Marie, Harry Busset to Caesar, money like Podila, Sama Pocket Sabuka like Madila, Topek, full as Vati, Sippy Flipper Mandela, never let them pizza, pick up your paces, Motagori Cage, you can like a basin, but not from the veil, our
Indeed, Motswana has talent. Guys, I'm so proud. Like, I need to say it right now. Every one of you here, your songs are beautiful. You guys are talented. Well composed. Your voices are well managed. You know what? That was beautiful. I must say, I want to be honest with you. But no, you are a talented young man. That is beautiful. I loved your song. I would love to see you going far. I would like to say, you know what? I met that guy one day in Motswana Has Talent, and he Drama Boy. You reminded me of Drama Boy. Thank you for your performance.
Thank you so much.
That was a great performance. That is a great song, and I see you. I see you. I see you going places.
I feel you.
Oh, for real? Damn. Let me in. Bro.
Yeah.
Nice. Singing, lyrics. I don't know what to say. I'm gonna let you in, bro. It's Drama Boy and ATI in this bitch. We in it. We coming back.
Yeah.
You're definitely Amazing, bro. Like, all of you guys are amazing.
Very good.
We want to support you guys. This is what we're looking for. This is exactly what we're looking for. Bless. What's your name again?
El Fago.
And then the drip?
The drip.
Mm-hmm.
Ah,
You just put it
Tasha,
together? El Fago Rain, Braya.
El Fago, the more that we can go. The further that we can go, really more as Botswana. It's something beautiful.
United States of Africa, my guy.
Yeah. Thank you.
A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for El Fago. All right. We are now moving a bit closer to the end. But before we get closer and closer, I would like us to welcome a group, I would like us to welcome a contestant, Cool Boy, and the dancers. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have a round of applause for Cool Boy and his dancers.
What's up, cool boy? What's up, cool boy? I guess it. Mwachaka, when I switch to lavi. Mwachaka, when I switch to lavi. Apoya menya na mwachaka, binanya na mwachaka, chikanya na mwachaka, wena. Apoya menya na mwachaka, binanya na mwachaka, chikanya na mwachaka, wena. Auwa mahelele. Usiku inohuta Osiaka Baby Shonitiaka Engira zete Usiku inohuta Osiaka Baby Shonitiaka Mukhaju telela Ratolaka telela Mukhaju telela Telela Mukhaju telela Ratolaka telela Mukhaju telela I can feel it in my heart, I believe it in my mind that you're my soulmate, yeah. You're my soulmate, yeah. Mwachaka, when I switch to lavi. Abana the tobana, the one lalibota. Abana the tobana, the one lalibota. Ekazika, manyana, banamutaka. Ekazika, manyana, banamutaka. Ekazika, manyana, banamutaka. Ekazika, manyana, banamutaka. Now baby kanya kamara wena wanrata mara na kaurata. Hey baby, hey hey, hey hey, hey hey, baby bambi, hey hey, hey hey, hey hey, baby bambi. Abana the tobana, you want lalibota. Abana the tobana, you want lalibota. I can feel it in my heart, I believe it in my mind that you're my soulmate, yeah. When I switch to love, you're my soulmate, yeah. When I switch to love.
Cool Boy and the dancers. I get so emotional because there's a lot of talent. More Botswana, it's not put out there. kore ga ke tsore ke gore ke re a le ntlhomola pelo kore la nkama because this talent is just way too much.
Yes.
Ha eta gore thelela a ke thelela
ya go end
se diri ha eta re
straight
le gape nna ke rata le kompo.
exactly
That is
Giving
your team, you guys performed uniformly. Kore no go sena gore yo mongwe o hale o ipatlela space mo teaming. That was a great performance, my brother.
thank you so much
Kore hey.
No, you killed it, bro.
Sure, bro, fan me.
I know, I loved it. Eva fit to la jive, Eva fit to oh. You get so some of you Korea already industry ready. You want like rap, booking. Rama.
straight
I get. I loved it. Teamwork. My nigga mang majida at the back, you know.
na cool boy ka se bela kere cool boy volunteer
No more enter camp, bager.
yeah I was there.
Yeah, away.
This is my boy Zoski. This is my boy Mzapa. Ke di tsala tsaka ke di dancera tsaka ke di business partners.
Hey guys, we zuri nalenza mezi bosigo ka kuba sa re lo Setswana. Look at these people ba sa itseng lo ena ha o se itse
Yeah, wa ga se
wa ntlhaloganyo re ke ra yang kore na I didn't expect it. Bathong le tisitse mogoti. You heard us screaming. It is not right for a judge to be standing screaming at a competition. You understand? We have to, but we involuntarily re heletse re bona gore gona le ha nempine ke re ya go hella teng hale. Hai tabeng ile gore yanong ipukalla teng me le go hella kanti wira cool boy.
I got confused.
That salami, you deserve to be booked. We need to see you more big events. More paisas, more you. I feel like you're ready. That was beautiful, guys. Thank you very much to your dancers. 100% like from me. Retso wa bina no na le emotion. Wa ukwa. Ha dancer before ke le ba mo maotong. It's in your face. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Schoolboy and the dancers. Once again, a huge round of applause for them. All right. As we are coming to the end of our segment, we have one last group who will be performing for us. They are called Buikanyo. Buikanyo, are you there? Buikanyo will be giving us a piece. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are waiting for Buikanyo, our final contestant, Rutlule Hela from our judges, I'd like them to just give us a brief overview of how they see the competition going so far. Judges, over to you.
Hey, Tota, all I can say is at this point it's very difficult to be a judge. I regret choosing to be the judge for today. It's very, very difficult. These people are talented.
Yes, sir.
Yo.
Hey, he summarized it. Speechless. Over to you, Rofa.
Hey, we do it again. Oh, but however it ends, hela mo go yone khona. Bare patlisa mo sekele. There's a very tough competition. I didn't expect it, honestly. I didn't expect it. This is just sensational. What these people are giving us today, it's out of this world. There's a lot of talent in Botswana. I must gatella that. There's a lot of talent. Whether it's more pedi, more bogi, more bini, it's a lot.
All right, that is it from our judges, ladies and gentlemen. Audience, how has it been for you so far? Audience, how has it been for you so far? All right, I'll be Kanyo and the They are coming, ladies and gentlemen, in 2 minutes.
Motswana Has Talent. Oh, seke wa re re silent. Re na le marapo le balance. Re tla dira le fase le re utlwe re dance. Motswana
Abule Entertainment, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, no problem. No tla ikapela wa peka.
Are yo.
Okay.
Hey,
Mashumi, sharp.
Na. Bata selling dijo. Ah, Miss. Mohatsa ka bana.
Baby.
Mo rata ka mosula bana. O thoyelo bo.
Yeah, baby.
Wana hiene bana. Hey, a ka tsa ke tsere. O bote bana. Hey, wa ka ina no ke tsena mo ntlo.
Ke tsale banyana Thego Friday.
O tsale banyana. O ntoga ke le one.
O raya.
O tsale banyana. Wa ke.
Ke hatso.
O kompolele. Before ya ka re wa tsamaya lo. Gone ka ha dipitseng ka hale. O thatleile sengwe yana seng ka se jang wa bona. Ke re ke seje e tlhelakgantele ke betsa banyana. Wa bona.
O bona o rekile dijo mo ntong wena. O rekile dijo. Kana o irwa ke yone kopi ene.
Kopi.
O ka tsamaya o rwele kopi tsela ye yotlhe. O ko pati. Bona ebile o tshwaisitse di lipstick. O tshwaisitse ya mang?
Nya tseno o ska tshwara mo.
O tshwaisitse ya mang?
Ya mang? Nya, a re se re bua ka tseo.
Ke a go botsa.
A re se re bua ka tseo, ke tla di explainer.
O explainer. So sa ntlha wa rekela ngwana mashi.
Nya.
Hai, hey.
Ke batla se leng dijo.
Dijo di.
Ke batla dijo.
O seka. O seka.
Ke batla se leng dijo mosadi kante me go nne ke go nyallang.
Ke maid wa.
Ke go nyaletsa.
O nyetse mosadi ha wa nyala maid.
Ke go nyaletsa gona.
O nyetse mosadi.
Di underwear tsa mo di show.
Ha ke suri underwear nna. Ha ke suri underwear ya go. Wana senka maid ata isu. Oh. Na ke ria. Ke mmelo wa ka.
He. Kwa tshelo tanka jojoka. O ka tika le ragwela wa ritia.
Monna ke wena mmele wa ka nna re ha o bone.
Look at me.
Ha o reke dijo nka boja akere. Ha ba ta dijo reka dijo.
Ya ba ta dijo tsa mekije mpa enne ka na bona.
Mpa ya ma.
Ya tlo tshwela masisi nna ke tsa meke.
Yes wena reka dijo gore o lekane le eng. Reka dijo. Oh.
Bona go mbe kwa no masusuela o yele bo.
Ka re ka itlhokomela. Wa o ka re msimol. So sa ntlha o itse dilo tse ke di dirisang. Mo boro monna me. Ba ta go thusa banna mo strateng. Ba ta go thusa. Ke a bona gore o batla mopati wena. Ke a go bona.
Ke tlo nna ela ke a di emela dijo.
O ka nna ba tsena ke a tsamaya. Ke a tsamaya mister.
Nka nna hatsi.
Nna ha ba.
Ka re ke batla dijo. Magolo.
Ke di tseka nna. Ke di tseka.
Wa dontina. Kana wa dor ke go best hakwa. O ka di jala tse di go dirile mo tima.
Dira re bona.
Ke a di batla dijo.
Mpontshe.
Ha ke se batle style seo.
Mpontshe.
Ke re bon. O ka tikele rao kana. So san.
Na ha le bone. Ha le bone sent.
Nya tsamena. Mo go le tikela monna Thank you.
Motswana Has Talent. Oh, seke wa re re silent. Re na le marapo le balance. Re tla dira le fase le re utlwe re dance. Motswana
ke le bone. I think yo ga ke itse ga la ka la re ha different go bitswa eng. Different stories go re khona bona gore motho o khona go acta yana o khona go nna jana o khona go nna jana so throughout nna ke bone so se le wine khanne le dijo hela mo go ke sale ke utla dijo hela ke batla dijo throughout.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Now I'm going to be a little strict because you're in my field. You told me you're gonna be doing comedy, so I think I was expecting stand-up comedy, but you gave me something which is close to theater, right? Drama. right? So now I was observing a lot of things. I was observing your movement. I was observing your voice variation, your articulation, your movement, your Nela, as actors. Like, I was looking at a lot of things. And I believe you guys are talented, really talented. You can act, but you need practice. You need to learn how you move on stage, how you vary your voice, depending on the emotion that you want us to feel. The reason why you said a lot of things. If there was voice control and emotion control, maybe you were not mainly talking about you want food. Because I could tell you wanted to show her she's looking beautiful, you spend a lot of money on her, there's a party, she's cheating, she's what, but I didn't get any of that. So you need to work hard on your craft the way you want it to be felt. But other than that, you're naturally talented.
Okay, thank you.
No, we're gonna work, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna work.
So that means it's larger than life. You remember the crazy entertainers? Well, it's larger than life. So you're the comedy. She's driving the story. Story as a build. I get. One point, next point, beginning, middle, end. I get. So, but like, thank you for the good attempt representing drama. Awa. Awe.
Thank you. Okay, once again, kena buikanyo phiri ke tswa ko Mochudi Mokgatlo. Yeah, we are the stage name Mabule Entertainment. Tota hase career ile one ya comedy and drama. Kidi atsela tsotle like dancers, and we do dragore atsela tsotle so fine short ke singers they are there. Kurba I can't with some reasons. But on the next level we do.
Mochudi. Well, you said Mochudi, right?
Yeah,
Not
Mochudi.
Yeah, come, invite us. Luminous Art, we're going to Mochudi, Mabuli Entertainment.
Yeah, our Facebook page, Mabuli Entertainment, all the platforms. We thank you, everyone.
Can I hear a round of applause for Mabule Entertainment, ladies and gentlemen? Our very last contestant of the day. I'd like them to come up front. He is called MK. A round of applause for him, please.
Motswana Has Talent. Oh, sekaware yere silent. Renale marapo le balance. Retla dira le fase le re utwe re dance. Motswana.
We'll get you.
Yeah. Okay.
Lona bana no. Nah, beautiful. Guys, you're making it tough. And you're closing it very nice. Koro, you're taking us sending us away. Koro, what the vacation, the ones who understand. Beautiful.
Yeah.
What? You want on my fiance is here. Beautiful, bruh. I mean, you're standing your ground. You're alone, but I can feel your energy.
Thank you,
know what I'm saying? You're owning that mic. You're in it. You're enjoying it. But I can't see your face. I mean, it's the drip or.
Yes.
I don't know. Cameras. Are we seeing him? Hey,
I got you. I got you. That was a great performance. I could have like one, but I would have loved to see you move about. But it was a great performance.
Thank you so much.
It is a nice song.
Thank you.
Hi MK.
Hello.
Nakila bobedi ke kopana le wena anong ha wa ntirela sente because nna ke itse hela mo no presenter. Can't we radio tsenetse?
Tata.
We radio MK. That is beautiful, and I would love to say, man, this is you. This is what you do. You know,
Yes.
I think you are more vibrant here, more energetic here, more present here. I loved your talent, man. It was amazing. Nala hanonzu yemehela ho nukutor MK yare what? Nkulabon.
Straight.
So big ups.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I have a huge round of applause for MK? And we have right about this time come to the end of our segment for the day. Kindly note that I am not the decider. The judges rather will be the ones who will be deciding who our winner will be. And you at home, do engage with us on Lesedi TV on our Facebook page and all our social media platforms. We are sponsored and in partnership with Bimbos. We're in partnership with Lesedi TV as Motswana Has Talent. Motswana Has Talent. We have a very beautiful announcement, ladies and gentlemen. The judges are rather going to give us our top 5 right here, right now. Alright? Can I have a round of applause for that one? A round of applause for that one. So to all our 11 contestants, just understand and let it sink and know that 5 of you are going to have to compete once again for the final winner of Motswana Has Talent in this episode. So I'd like to give the judges a moment to deliberate on that one. And then I will come here again and give you our top 5. Thank you.
Motswana Has Talent. Oh, se ka wa re re silent. Re na le marapo le balance. Re tla dira le fase le re utlwe re dance.